All right, welcome back to stage 2 of the Tour de France. Thought it would be a good idea to show our newly minted yellow jersey here. So, now one of the things that happens in the Tour is riders will drop back to their team cars and get a drink, which is what, shoot, I'm forgetting the name. Oh, poop. Trek Segafredo, Farmer, not Trek Segafredo, sorry. Appleton Quick Step. I'm sure the name will come to me, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. But he's dropped back now to get a drink of water, and he's actually picking up a couple of extra bottles to carry back up to his teammates, because it can be quite a ways back. Now, right now, the peloton is trying not to catch the breakaway, so the speed isn't really on. So, a little bit easier to go back to the cars and talk to your director or get a bottle in this case. So this is quite a, so behind the race is the whole caravan of team cars and press vehicles and motorcycles and all kinds of vehicles back here, support vehicles. It's quite a entourage of potential mayhem, and for riders who've gotten dropped for one reason or another, stopped for a bathroom break or whatnot, to have to ride back through this traffic jam feels a little like being a bike courier, although this group of drivers is a lot more sympathetic and supportive of the riders than the city traffic that a courier will face in a given day. And yes, that's something I've done in my past. So, but they'll pull up, and then the driver will reach out and hand bottles that have been passed up from the mechanics that sit in the back seat. But there's just this whole, they call it the caravan, this whole caravan of support vehicles behind the peloton. So that's kind of what I'm working on with this image. Actually got another rider back here. And they've also got the motorcycles. And what's crazy is the gendarme, the French police, will stop and block the road, and then behind will have to speed up through the peloton, which is always a bit scary and can be a bit dangerous as they come zipping past. But many have done this for years and years and years, and certainly the press, the race photographers and all that, those motorcyclists have been driving the Tour for years and years, and many were former racers themselves, and so they sort of know what the riders need, anticipate their moves, and are able to keep them even safer. Call this drink up. So that's the layout of the image, and you can see I've kind of created a vortex, but the crossover of the arm sort of engages that a little bit better. Yves Lampard, there we go. I knew I'd think of the name eventually. So that's the name of the rider who came out, won the opening stage of the tour, the time trial. So with that win, gets to wear the coveted maillot jaune, the yellow jersey. Back when the disgraced American Lance Armstrong was wearing the yellow jersey, it got the nickname of the Mellow Johnny, the Maillot jaune. So his partner's in a bike shop in his hometown of Austin, Texas, and it's called Mellow Johnny's. Even still, I'd love to have a Mellow Johnny's t-shirt. So now I'll move on to the next lightest value, which would be the skin tones of the rider from Belgium. Let's give a little shadow color to that too. And the Danes along the side of the road. So sorry, I'm just sort of looking at the image. So what you can't see, of course, is I have the paused video on the screen in front of me, and that's where I'm getting my image from. So now we'll move on to the cooler colors. So we just sort of work through these blue tones. We get the brighter blue of the Team DSM. I believe. So this is the DSM car with the blue stripes, and this is his rider right there. Now we'll move on to the grass tones. So it'll be interesting to see how this race plays out today. They're expecting some strong crosswinds. They're going over a very long bridge that holds the two islands that are Denmark intrinsically together. And of course, being up and exposed on a bridge like that and over the North Sea, there could be some strong crosswinds. So sort of everyone's kind of anticipating that the race may blow apart. Crosswinds can make it very difficult for those who get caught out to get back on terms. And so while nobody will be able to win the Tour de France, there are hopefuls who could lose it if they get caught behind a break in the peloton. So there's a bit of anxiousness Not at this moment, they're not there yet, but many, in front of the peloton, many are paying close attention. And I'm sure there's a lot of conversation between these guys and the team cars. And the riders going, all right, looks like it's going to happen. Get ready. This is coming up. You got this many kilometers. All communicated through the radios. So there's a bit of shadow from these vehicles. And riders for that matter. Now we'll build up this black that I use, which is this vermilion, dioxine purple, mixed with a little bit of the dark green. And obviously I'm not trying to be super realistic in this. I feel like the watercolors are great in capturing the mood of the piece and the motion, the speed of the race. You know, if you want, actually why I think that the watercolors are even better than the camera is because the camera, they shoot at such high speed that you get this stop action and it doesn't show the energy of the race at all, in my opinion. So it's one of these things where the artist is taking back the responsibility of documenting that was once the domain of the artist, but then the camera took it away. At the end of the 1800s. So in here, in the start of the 2000s, I figured, why not reclaim the territory? So this is just about done. Time for me to remind you that you can see all of my cycling work at my blog, theartofcycling.blogspot.com. All this art is for sale. You'll find it on my website at gregleach.com. Obviously, your likes, your thumbs up, your comments are a big help. And if you like what you're seeing before, be sure to subscribe so you get to see more as they come up. And I'll be doing one of these every day during the tour. So thanks so much for watching. Truly appreciate it.